Errors. If your system has an error, by enabling this function you will be able to see the error and also clear the error. It is important that you have ascertained what has caused the error and fixed the error before such time as you clear it, otherwise it will reoccur. If you arrive to the machine and find that the red light is on and can see visibly that the stalls are disabled, you will need to go into the maintenance key, press 8 for error, and it will display the error that's currently upset the machine. This error that we have displayed here shows that the water supply in bowl 1 has become faulty, and it lists some modes of correction. It asks you to check the electrode, check for dirt in the filter, and check the water valves. Once you have checked that there is adequate water pressure supplied to the machine, and you've checked that there's nothing on the electrode and the filter is clean, you can reset the fault by pressing the yes button, and it will give you the option of clearing the error. You then press yes again, the red light will go off. By pressing back, the disabled stalls will then become ready for visiting. The most common occurrence of blockages occurs either in the bottom of the bowl, in the elbows, or at the stall. To check for blockages, you can simply remove the hose from the bottom of the bowl to ensure liquid flows freely. If it does at this point, you can then check at the Y joints by simply removing the hose, visually checking. And the most common point is usually in this Y joint on the input line. And you can check this once again by removing the hose, visually checking. To change the stall pump hose, first unscrew the 4 small bolts on the front of the pump. Once removing the front of the pump, simply pull the pipe away from the drive motor, unplug the pipes from the bottom of the pump, loosen off the clamps, remove the pipe. Place a new pipe in the first clamp. Use a CRC or a silicon-based product. Give it a bit of a spray. And inside the housing, squeeze and push. Do the first clamp up on the right-hand side. Pull down the hose gently to take up any slack. Then do the left clamp up. Reconnect the drain hose. Put the top back on. That's it. The Holman Lau automatically washes twice daily. To initiate a manual wash, you would simply press the maintenance key, select 2 for manual wash. It will ask you at what temperature you want to wash at. If you leave it, it will heat itself up to 60 degrees and do a full wash. At the end of that wash, be aware you have to exit the system settings screen back to be ready to visit before the machine will feed calves.